Today I want to talk to you about positivity. What do I mean by that? Well, I want to encourage you that when there are challenging situations that happen, be aware of that difficult moment. Think about it. Oh, this is tricky, right? And then how are you going to respond to make that moment positive and ready for growth and learning? So for example, if you have a child you've been teaching how to socialize and to make friends, and they ask you if they can spend the night over at a new friend's house, you might not be ready for that. So what you want to do is be aware of that tricky moment and respond in a way that would lead for growth. Like, I like the way you're making new friends. Why don't we invite the family to the park and we get to know each other, and then you can have a sleepover at another time. Or perhaps you have a teenager who is ready to use their brand new driver's license and would like to take the family car to go do an event with their friends. You're not quite ready though for them to take the family car alone. So you might say something like, I appreciate that you want to use your driver's license, but taking the family car alone right now, we need to build up to that. So we'll drive with you. You can drive there, and then we're going to take the car back home. So it makes the entire interaction with your children more positive and ready for growth and learning. Remember to like my Facebook page, Clinician with a Mission.